Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designing here and there. If you think that is something you'll be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And today's lip combo is going to be another simple one. We are using the e.l.f. Cream Glide lip liner. This is in the shade Dark Cocoa, and then over top I just have my Morphe and Madison Beer lip gloss, and this one is in Mars. It's definitely a old shade. They don't make this one anymore, but if you have a nude lip, you can make this lip. So it's a super simple look. I love it. And today we are feeling chocolatey brown, if you guys can not tell. So yeah, that is my lip combo for today. And in today's video, you guys, I am going to be sharing with you a Bath and Body Works haul, you guys. I actually have two bags, but the other one is sitting right here and I'm not picking it up because it is full of soaps. So if you guys want to see my little random haul from Bath and Body Works, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, so I'm not gonna lie, this is not a super exciting haul, but I did get a bunch of soaps during the $2.95 soap sale, as well as I got some more detergent. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the detergent I end up getting. I end up getting a backup of the Moonlit Goddess set. So I got the beads as well as the detergent. Y'all, this smells so good to me, so good. It's my favorite scent. I wanted to get this while this was 40% off during like the Easter sale, but I ended up forgetting. But my mom ended up purchasing this for me. She used a coupon and it ended up coming out to like $21. A detergent, as well as it was a free mini with the purchase or something, and they actually end up putting a full size in instead of the mini. So I end up getting a full size of Sweetest Song. I actually had requested the mini, but they gave the full size, which is fine. It's blush raspberries, sugar crystals, and white musk. Y'all already know what this smells like. I did a video talking about this, so I will have it linked, but it does smell really, really nice. And I did go ahead and give this full size to my mom so she can have it because she didn't have one. Now getting into the soaps that I went ahead and got. Y'all know they had the 10 off of 30 purchase, so that's when I went ahead and did the soap deal, as well as I got a free mini in that. And I just got the Costa Rica Pink Pineapple Sunrise, so this ended up being my freebie. And I don't think I have this one in the mini, so I went ahead and got this. Now we're gonna get into the soaps. I did get a bunch of brand new soaps. I think I got about 10 soaps in here. So yeah, the first one I ended up getting was Garden Tea Cookie, and this one sounded so nice. It's powdered sugar, fresh citrus zest, and whipped vanilla, and this actually smells really good. It does smell like a sweet sugar cookie, but with like some lemon icing. So this one smells amazing, and if it does really well, you know, at the sink, I would probably purchase a backup of that one. I got new soaps because I only had like winter and fall soaps left. I was out of all my spring, summer, so I needed to get some, and I could have waited to SAS, but I needed some now. Next one I got is Pineapple Prosecco. This is sparkling pineapple, bubbly Prosecco, white nectarine. I always get this one. It smells so good. Anything with pineapple, sign me up. Alright, so the next one is Acai Berry Spritz, and this one is fresh acai berries, bubbly soda, and pomegranate seeds. And when I seen this, it reminded me of the Starbucks drink, the strawberry acai. So it's not quite like that one to me. This one smells a little bit more berry like, and it does have almost like a fizzy note in here, almost like a champagne note. But yeah, I like this one. I also got Sweet Strawberry Scoop. This is one I always get. It's sugar pink strawberries and vanilla bean ice cream. This one always smells amazing, and I usually always get this during SAS. I also got Pink Pineapple Sunrise. This is a good one. Pink pineapple, palm sugar, sun-drenched nectar. Can't go wrong with that. Had to get me an iced lemon pound cake, glazed icing, pure lemon zest, and fluffy cake. Y'all know how good this one smells, so yeah, love that. I didn't get like any duplicates. I just got one of everything just so I can see which ones I really like. This is Sweet sweet kiwi and starfruit. I think I had this one last year. Golden kiwi, juicy starfruit, and solar woods. This one smells nice. I think I have the body care in that, if I'm not mistaken. I also have turquoise waters. I love this one. This is one of my favorite ones to go in the kitchen. This is bergamot, day lily, and sea spray. This one is so good and tropical. And then I got fresh Amalfi lemon. Y'all, this smells amazing. Lemon leaves, chilled spearmint, and cedarwood citrus. Y'all, I'm bringing out my fresh Amalfi lemon body care this month as well. It's on my tray if you haven't seen that. But yeah, I cannot wait to use this in body care, and it just smells so good. And then the very last one I end up getting is a new one, and this is Sunlit Glow, and this is sunny citrus, beachside coconut, and warm amber. And this is definitely that beachy type of fragrance. You know, that sunscreeny beachy type of fragrance is definitely in the lines of that. And it actually smells really, really good. So I cannot wait to put this in my bathroom or somewhere in like June. I think this is going to be a really good June, July scent. Love this. So yeah, you guys, as you can see, this haul was pretty quick, straight to the point. Got some soaps, really needed some soaps, and got some detergent. So yeah, I'm trying to stay my butt out of Bath and Body Works until like SAS, when all the new stuff is dropping. So wish me luck. I've been doing pretty good so far. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in another video. Bye guys.